sovereignty. Nakikita niyo ba, umiiting or nagiging mas maiting ang challenge nila sa territorial claims natin?
I don't think, and I still don't consider such harassment of the Chinese Coast Guard as a form of escalation. As I said, all of this harassment and this kind of activities of China to prevent our government vessels in patrolling our own exclusive economic zone has been happening not just under the watch of President Bongbong Marcos, but even during the time of President Duterte. The only difference is that right now, under this administration, President Bongbong Marcos believes that it is imperative for the Filipinos to understand what is happening in the West Philippines. Kung bakit natin na pag-uusapan ang mga activities na to at harassment ng China, it's because the national government is allowing ordinary Filipino people to learn and to understand kung ano ang pinagdadaanan